So let us comes to here, compared to all the remaining compounds, maybe the question will come or may not, having a chances that's all. But definitely the every year, every exam from this chapter, they are going to ask the question, either one word or two marks or MCQs, definitely surely something will come under reason assertion or something. That is what we should call it as plaster of Paris. What we should call?
Of Paris.
Plaster of Paris.
Understand? So we can call it as POP. What we should call it? Plaster of
POP.
Paris. So that is what it is. Is it okay, guys? P dot O dot P. POP. Now, let us comes to here. What do you mean by this plaster of Paris means? Remember, it is calcium sulfate hemihydrate. What is that? What is the scientific name now?
Sulfate hemihydrate.
Calcium sulfate. So many different things will come. Calcium sulfate hemihydrate. HEMI. Hemihydrate. What is it called? Hemihydrate. So, hemi means half hydrate. What we should call it? Half hydrate. So, how half hydrate will come? That is, I will say you. Don't worry. So, you may already know that hemi means half. We will write half H2O. Is it yes, guys? You already seen it. But have you asked why half? Anybody? Why half? Anybody? Kevin? Yeah, Dina, why half? Is it possible to break the water molecule into two pieces? Dina, I am asking that question. Can you answer? Is it possible to break the water molecule into two pieces? Respond my answer. Respond my question. Is it possible? Yes or no? Is it possible to break the compound into two pieces? No. But
No,
then
sir.
you are writing half. How you are writing half H2O? That is what I am going to say you now. You guys really don't know. Is it yes, guys? No, I don't know. No, I don't know. What's your name? Why they have half H2O? So why are you writing? No. What no? KNOW or NO no? So, observe calcium sulfate hemihydrate or half hydrate means we can write the formula, the chemical formula. Can you able to say anybody? CaSO4 dot already Dina said half H2O, half H2O. So this is what the chemical formula of water, plaster of Paris. What is this? Plaster of Paris. Now, is it possible to write? Is it possible to make 1/2 water molecule? Is it tell me? Suppose class 8 if will come. There we only need to tell you always the chemical compound. The numbers should be whole numbers. Is it yes or no, guys? Always the coefficient should be whole numbers. Is it yes?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Now, but we are writing here half H2O. So, why? What is the reason behind? If anybody knows, say yes or don't say no. Then why are you studying this? Don't know? Then what? How you have been completed anything? So that is what I am going to say you now. Observe very carefully. Very, 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 very important this one. 90% children don't know even when they will study this. But this is only they are going to ask. Okay. So gypsum, Nitinath. Gypsum is the raw material to manufacturing POP. That is not half H2O. I will say the reason. Observe very carefully. So now, this is what we can say. The formula of plaster of Paris. What is the common name of this one, Ra? Plaster of Paris. Plaster of Paris. Understand? And the chemical name is called as what, Ra? Read everybody. Reading only it will remember in brain. Calcium
sulfate hemihydrate. Calcium sulfate hemihydrate.
Half hydrate. Understand? Now, why it is called as POP? What is the full form of POP? Arvind?
Plaster of Paris. Plaster of Paris.
Sir, why we should call this plaster of Paris? That is the reason first. So, the name plaster of Paris came from the fact that it was first of all made by heating gypsum. Understand? Heating? Which one, Ra? Heating gypsum. been manufactured. Plaster of Paris is manufactured by heating gypsum, and it is mainly found in Paris. Where it has been found, Paris. That is the reason it is called as, what is it called? Plaster of Paris. Plaster of, what it is? Plaster of Paris. We can see, if it comes to at initial level, this plaster of Paris was used in a massive way in the construction industry. Where we can use this one? Majorly we'll use in the construction industry. Understanding that? Because it is having a very, once it will react with the water, it will become very strong. That is why. So construction industry we are using before from the long back, but now it has many other uses which we will learn in this uses of plaster of Paris. So now we will see this plaster of Paris, what we should call plaster of Paris is known as what? Yeah, medical purpose also, Dina. Very good. What is plaster of Paris? Known as what? POP. What we should call? Commonly known as POP. Now, we'll see what is the preparation of plaster of Paris, and I will say the reason why we are writing half H2O. Nobody knows surely that is. Is it yes, guys? Yes, Kevin?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So, preparation of, all of you keep it. Preparation of plaster of Paris. How we can prepare plaster of Paris? Just now I said. What is that? Yes?
The heating of gypsum.
Heating of gypsum. That is most important. So in this gypsum, temperature is also important, guys. Remember that. So now, plaster of Paris is prepared from gypsum. POP is prepared from where? Prepared from gypsum. Understanding? GYPSUM. What we should call? GYPSUM. Gypsum. So this gypsum, if it comes to here, what is the chemical formula of gypsum? Anybody? Harini, Arya, Anusri? Gypsum formula. Gypsum formula.
For 2H2O.
For 2H2O. All of you should remember. PSO4.2H2O. So now, let me see who will say. What is the water of crystallization of this one? Gypsum. What is the water of crystallization? How many water molecules are there? Water of crystallization.
2, sir.
Speak louder. What is happening? Yesterday also. So what?
Calcium sulfate dihydrate.
Water molecules. How many are there? 2 molecules of water of crystallization. Is it yes or no, guys?
Calcium sulfate dihydrate.
2 molecules of water of crystallization. That is you have to remember. So 2 molecules of water of crystallization. So that is what now. So this plaster of Paris is prepared by heating of this gypsum. Heating of this gypsum to a temperature of 100 degrees Celsius. Till where? 100 degrees Celsius. So
100.
4.2H2O. This is what we should call, guys. What we should call?
Gypsum.
So now, if we start heating this alone, till what temperature? 100 degrees Celsius. 100 means what? 100 plus 273, which is equals to 373 Kelvin. Both are important. 373 Kelvin. We used to get POP. What we should get? POP, CaSO4 dot half H2O. Half H2O. So now 2 minus half. How much? 2 minus half. How much? 2 minus half. How much? 3 by
2, sir. 3 by 2.
Yes or no, guys?
3 by 2.
So 4
3 by 2.
is equals to 3 by 2. So 3 by 2, how I can write? Mixed fraction. 1 by 2. Is it yes or no? So that is how to remember. So CaSO4 plus half H2O plus 1 by 2 H2O. What we should get? 1 by 2 H2O. So This is what we should call as. What is the chemical reaction it is? It is a manufacturing of which chemical, Ra? Manufacturing of which one? Plaster of Paris. What is
Plaster of Paris.
of Paris? Now, you guys may get, sir, how the half H2O is present? How 1 by 2 H2O is present? Is it anybody mind is asking that? Sir, we are writing half H2O, half H2O. Anybody is asking that question?
Yes, sir.
So observe very carefully. First one, listen. In the presence of, understand, in the preparation of plaster of Paris, so heating of gypsum should be controlled very carefully. So what is the temperature? 100 degree Celsius. So the temperature should not be allowed to go above 100 degrees Celsius. So whenever I am heating the gypsum, all of you should remember temperature should not grow. So temperature should not increase more than 100 degrees Celsius. Always should be equals to what? Equals to how much? Speak, yeah. Equals to how much? 100 degrees Celsius. Or which is equals to what? 373.
373 Kelvin.
Kelvin. Now, sir, now immediately Arya will ask me, sir, I will give 150. What will happen, sir? Sir, you are saying exactly maintain 100 or else don't go more than that. Because what is the
hydrogen molecule?
This is what the reason assertion question. They will ask you the reason assertion question. All of you remember. What do you mean by this reason assertion question here? From this, I will form the reason assertion question. So the first point is, can you able to hear me, guys? Respond me, yes or no? Can you able to hear me? Yes. So the first question what they will ask you means, plaster of Paris is prepared by heating of gypsum at 373 Kelvin or 100 degrees Celsius, and the temperature should not overcross more than 100 degrees Celsius. That is what the assertion. Or else simply they will give you the preparation of plaster of Paris, temperature should not cross more than 100 degrees Celsius. That is the reason, assertion. Now, reason they will say you, some either X, Y, Z. So now, what is the exact reason is because the gypsum is heated above 100 degrees Celsius, then all its water of crystallization is eliminated and it will become anhydrous calcium sulfate. What will become, Ra? What will become? Anhydrous calcium sulfate. Guys, if I start heating exactly 100 degrees Celsius, no more further increasing. So you may guys know that why it is only 100. Can I explain you a little bit more? You guys don't know, correct? That is why. Can I explain you? So now, what is the boiling point of water, guys? Anybody can say what is the boiling point of water? The boiling point of water. 100 degrees. Do you know?
100 degrees Celsius.
The boiling point of water is not exactly 100. At 100, only the boiling point will start. The starting boiling point of water is 100 degrees Celsius. So if you want to evaporate water more understanding, then definitely the temperature accurately when we are in when I'm in engineering, we used to be calculated it, and also experimentally also it has been proved that. I also have done when I'm in engineering. It is plus 5 to 7 degree temperature is needed to evaporate the water. How much temperature? Plus 5 to 7 degree. Means in the sense of what is the actual temperature? So when actually the boiling of water will start, converting liquid state to gaseous state begins at 100 degrees Celsius. But if it wants to evaporate completely, then the temperature should be how much? More than above 100 degrees Celsius. Above 100 degrees Celsius. So that is why once if you are heating above 100 degrees Celsius, all of you should remember, guys, what will happen means, so the water of crystallization, whatever the water of crystallization is present, fully it will be evaporated. What will happen, Ra? Fully it will be evaporated. Understand, guys? Respond me. Fully it will be evaporated. So if it is fully evaporated, Dina, no moisture is present. What is that called as? What is that called as? Anhydrous or hydrous? anhydrous we can call. You understand, guys? Anhydrous we can call. So that is what you have to remember. So the temperature should not be go above more than. Understand? All of you remember that the temperature should not cross above 100 degrees Celsius. So we have to balance this one perfectly. So why? What is the reason? The reason you have to write, because what is the reason, Ra? Speak, yeah. Just now I said you correct. Because what will happen if it is heated? If it is heated, then what will happen? Should not understand complete all the water of crystallization. If it is heated, all the water of crystallization, water of crystallization is eliminated. So if it is water is completely eliminated, what is the compound will come? Nitinath, Arya, eliminated, what will come? It will come eliminated, then it will form then anhydrous calcium sulfate will form. So dry format. Is it yes or no, guys? Anhydrous calcium sulfate will form. So this is what we should call it as. This anhydrous calcium sulfate only we should call it as dead burnt of plaster of Paris. What we should call? Dead burnt of plaster of Paris. Is it understand, guys? Plaster of Paris. Is it okay? Yes or no? Respond. Understand? So this anhydrous, yeah, I will show you. So if, sir, what is the use? Sir, then why can't we use dry anhydrous? So the dry CaSO4 or an anhydrous CaSO4, because this anhydrous calcium sulfate, or we can say dead burnt plaster, does not set like plaster of Paris on adding water. What will happen, Ra? If you are adding water to this CaSO4, it will never be transformed like a plaster of Paris. Is it okay, guys? Respond me. Understand, all of you? That is you have to remember. So without water, so what is happening? This one. So anhydrous CaSO4 does not set like plaster of Paris, POP, on adding water. What is that? On adding water. Now, here one important question I will say. Why POP is not exposed to the atmosphere? What will happen? Anybody? What will happen? Anybody? Because moisture, it contains moisture. Is it yes or no, guys? Atmosphere contains moisture. Is it yes or no? Respond me. So it will react with that and it will turns into water, a solid stone-like substance. So it is no use of for us. That is why plaster of Paris is always stored in a closed containers. Understand? If you will keep it outside, or else if you will expose to the outside within number of hours or number of days, understand, depend upon the moisture availability and atmosphere, it will turns into a solid object. Understand, guys? That is the reason we are always should be packed in a very closed container. So now this is what you should remember. So why we should maintain 100 degrees Celsius? Because reason should speak, all of you. Why we should? Because what? Nitish, Tarani, what is the reason behind why we should keep? Because if it is heated above 100 degrees Celsius, the complete loss of water of crystallization, So it will become what? An anhydrous calcium sulfate, which is not behaving like a POP. That is the reason behind it. Now, here I want to say one more thing. So, a plaster of Paris is prepared by on heating gypsum to a temperature of how much, Ra? 100 degrees Celsius.
100 degrees Celsius.
In a kiln means one big kind of container. Where we will prepare? It is prepared in POP. You can browse it and you can see it. POP is prepared POP is prepared in kiln. What we should call Ra? Kiln. Understand? So that is you have to remember it. Do you want to see the kiln? I will show you. What do you mean by kiln?
What, sir?
Kiln. Kiln means a manufacturing unit. I will show you. You may be notice it in our somewhere. If you go, you can see. This is what we should call it as kiln. Is it okay, guys? Like potters. Those who are making potters, they used to be constructed something on their backside. Have you noticed it? For burning reaction, burning of earthen parts. Earthen parts, they will prepare some kiln. Or else for burning bricks also, they used to make like these things. Have you noticed it? Yes or no? Furnace.
Yes, sir.
So this is called as this. Have you noticed it? I have seen while you are going to Tanjore and all, you can see so many villages, they will manufacture this kind of earthen pots. For them, backside of their home it is having, inside they will arrange everything and they will burn it. Have you noticed it? Yes or no? That is what we should call as kiln. Understand? So this kiln we are using to manufacturing what? POP from gypsum. POP from gypsum. That is you have to remember. So if you start heating a temperature of 100 degrees Celsius, then it loses 3/4 of its water of crystallization, and it will form a chemical compound called as water. What is that chemical compound called as? 3/4 it will lose and will form a chemical compound called as, what is this, Dina? Arya? That is only we should call as POP. So when you will start heating up to 100 degrees, exactly 100 degrees Celsius, then what will happen means it will lose 3/4 of water. How much it will lose? It will lose the 3/4 of water. So 3/4 means what? 1/2. Is it yes or no, guys? So 1/2 of water will lose and it will form the POP. Now, I will discuss you. So why we are writing half H2O and 3/2? Is it possible to separate? Now I will say you observe very carefully. You may be already know. What is another name of another chemical formula of POP? Anybody can say? What is another name of POP? Tell me, Ra. What is another chemical name of chemical formula of POP? So one chemical formula POP is written as CaSO4. You should speak CaSO4 dot half H2O. Is it yes or no, guys? Is it yes or no, guys? Now I can write another chemical formula. Observe very carefully. CaSO4 dot H2O. So this is called as also POP. What we should call, guys? POP. So don't think that this is gypsum. What is the gypsum formula? What is the gypsum formula? Understand? Now I will say you remember here one CaSO4 molecule is having 2 molecules of water of crystallization. That is the meaning of this one. Is it okay, guys? CaSO4 one CaSO4 molecule is having how many molecules of water? 2 molecules of water of crystallization. What is it called? Gypsum. Understand? Nobody will say this much clearly. So one CaSO4 one CaSO4 molecule of calcium sulfate is containing gypsum, containing how much of water? 2 molecules of water of crystallization. So if you take any gypsum, one CaSO4 is containing 2 molecules of water of crystallization. Now I can write POP formula CaSO4 half H2O. Also I can write what? 2 CaSO4 dot H2O. In POP, how many calcium sulfate ions molecules? 2 calcium sulfate molecules sharing how many water of crystallization? 1 crystallization. 1. So now you can see 2 chocolates, 1 rupee means what is the cost of 1 chocolate? Each chocolate. What is the cost of each chocolate? 2 chocolates. 2 chocos, 1 rupee. Understand? Now what is the cost of each chocolate I am asking? So each chocolate cost is how much?
Sir, 1/2.
That is 1/2. Half H2O. Is it okay, guys? Are you understand, guys? That is the reason we are writing half H2O. Are you clear or not? That is what I want. Yes or no? Now you maybe understand. So if the equation is balanced, Then you used to get 2 CaSO4H2O. Remember, in POP, 2 CaSO4 molecules are sharing how many molecules of water of crystallization? Dot H2O means one molecule of water of crystallization.
Water of crystallization.
2 CaSO4s are sharing one water molecule. So each CaSO4 sharing how much? Half H2O. Is it
Half.
yes or no? Are you clear, Dina, now? That is the reason behind it. Akhil Arfan, are you clear? Arvind, that is the reason behind it. So that is why we can say, we can also write CaSO4, the formula of plaster of Paris, CaSO4 half H2O, and also we can write what? CaSO4, 2 CaSO4 H2O. So what do you mean by this half H2O means? Understanding. So the effective water of crystallization for 1 CaSO4 unit comes to half molecule of water. Is it okay, guys? Half molecule of water. So like the 2 CaSO4 will share only one molecule of water of crystallization. So that is why it is written as half H2O. Is it okay, guys? Respond me. So now from that, the second equation I can write for the preparation, CaSO4 dot 2H2O, CaSO4 dot 2H2O, taken twice, and if I start heating 100 degrees Celsius, or we can say how much? 373. So by this time now you can get balancing will come, which comes as a 2 CaSO4 dot H2O. What is that? 2 CaSO4 dot H2O plus extra what will come? 3 H2O will come. What will come? 3 H2O. Sir, why? You can check it. 3 2s are how much? 2 2s are 4. 4 2s are how much? 4 2s are how much? 8. Is it yes or no? Yes or no? 8 hydrogens are there. So now this side you can check it. You have 8 hydrogens or not? 2, 3 2s are 6. Yes or no? 6 plus 2, 8. Balance it or not? Tell me.
Yes, sir.
You have to remember. So this is also the equation for what? This is also equation for what? Manufacturing of plaster of Paris. Now, you have two formulas for plaster of Paris. In exam, you can write anything. Both are correct. But don't get confused with the gypsum formula. Gypsum, where it will come? 2 will come in the middle. But plaster of Paris, 2 will come in where? 2 will come at the starting. Is it okay, guys? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
We are manufacturing gypsum. We are manufacturing plaster of Paris with the help of gypsum. And if you add water to the gypsum, plaster of Paris again it will turn into a solid crystals. That is what we can say. What we should say, that is what the gypsum will form. Do you understand? Back again, if you form the water, plaster of Paris, why we should not expose to the atmosphere? Because this is the reason. So it will absorb the atmosphere, moisture from atmosphere, and it will turn into a solid. Okay, that is the reasoning. So this is all about the preparation of plaster of Paris. Now we will go with another one, properties of plaster of Paris. What is that? What is that? Properties.
So the second equation.
Okay, 1 minute. Properties of plaster of Paris. Plaster of Paris. Now, Akhil Arfan will say, what is the two formulas of plaster of Paris? First, you can remember this. Gypsum. What is the gypsum formula, Tina? CaSO4
H2O.
POP. So many will get confused. What is the POP formulas? Dileepan, Kevin, two formulas.
2 CaSO4 point H2O.
CaSO4 half H2O.
Half H2O.
Half H2O. 1 by the H2O.
2 CaSO4
H2O.
point H2O.
Each CaSO4 molecule is sharing how much amount of water? Half molecule of water. That is the meaning of that. So anyone you can write it. So now this is all about the preparation of plaster of Paris. Now we can go with the properties of plaster of Paris. What is that? Properties of plaster of Paris. Plaster of Paris. What is the color of this one? This is also white color powder. That is the first one. What is that? It is a It is a white powder. What we should call Ra? White powder. Understand, guys? Next, second one. So a very remarkable property, most use of this POP, why we are using means, once it will react with the water, it will become very, very sticky and very, very strong. In our home also, newly constructed homes, the designs and all, they used to make like a roof designs and all with a POP. Is it yes, guys? Yes or no? Please respond me. So many designs we people can make inside the home for the decoration with the help of POP, because it will turn into very hard substance when it is reacting with the water. Yeah, ceiling decorations. Yes, sir. Yes, they know. Right. Plus, it is a very remarkable. It has a very remarkable property of setting into a hard mass, or wetting with water, wetting with the water. Understand? So if you mix water with this, then it will turn into very, very hard substance, even very difficult to break also. Like that it will be. So that is why whenever water is added to plaster of Paris, it sets into a hard mass just within half an hour. How much time? How much time it will take? Within half an hour, 30 minutes, it will become into hard substance. So the plaster Paris is due to its hydration to form crystals of gypsum, which set to form a hard solid mass. So whenever it is POP, if you add water, it will form into the crystals of, understanding, a big solid particles of gypsum, which will be very, very hard in nature. That is why it is not allowed to expose to the atmosphere freely. Do you understand, guys? Yes or no? That is what chemical reaction. If you want, right? So what will happen if I will expose to the atmosphere? Within half an hour, it will turn into hard substance. That is what CaS over half H2O react with what water molecule? 3/2 water molecules, which will form. What will form? CaS over 2H2O. It will form. What we should call 2H2O. So set as hard mass. So this hard mass only what we should call gypsum. Understand? That is, once the POP turns into gypsum, then no use of that is. Again, we have to go for heating reaction. So that is why POP is always stored very perfectly. So CaSO for half H2O. Just this is casual reaction I'm writing. Balanced one we can write it. Is it as, guys? Balancing one we can write it or not? Just for showing your purpose, I'm saying you this reaction. This is the second property of POP. So you can see here, the setting of plaster of Paris is accomplished by slight expansion in volume, due to which it is, understanding, used to making cast for statues, understanding, and as well as toys, etc. So if you use the POP, suppose I will make you some statue. So I will make you some statues or some kind of a toys, etc. Nowadays, so many places we have uses of this POP. So after becoming drying, so the volume of this POP will little increases. What will happen? Expansion, slight expansion will take place. Do you understand, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, that is you have to remember. So slight expansion of POP will take place in volume. So why we are using? Because we are using in making what? We are making in what? Making in statues, and toys, etc. That is. So now you can see here always how we should store third property. Already so many times I am saying you. We have to be stored in what? Stored in how? Stored in a moisture-free container. What is moisture-proof or moisture-free container? Moisture-proof container. That is you have to remember. Because what is the reason behind? What is the reason why we should store moisture-proof container? Tarani
If
Pushpa.
it is exposed to moisture, it becomes a hard substance.
It can cause slow setting of plaster Paris by bringing about its hydration. What do you mean by hydration? Because of its hydration. What do you mean by hydration? Absorbing water from the atmosphere. Do you understand me? Reacting with atmosphere, reacting with moisture in air, reacting with moisture in air. That property, what we should call hydration.
Hydration.
Understand? So due to this, it has been stored in always moisture-proof containers. Is it okay, guys? So if you are not storing in moisture-proof containers, it will make the plaster of Paris useless after some time. So it will become what? If not, what will happen, Ra? If not, POP. POP is useless. Useless. We cannot use it for any purposes. That is you have to remember. So this is the properties of it. Now, last concept we are going to study, that is what we can say, uses of POP. What is that?
Uses of POP.
So after this I will stop. Then last concept is remaining. That is what we should call water of crystallization. Say hydrated salt. That we will study in the tomorrow's class. That is only not there for exam. Till here everything is there for tomorrow. Is it okay, guys?
Okay, sir.
So now, first to use, fastly write it, only 3 months is there. So we can see, majorly like Dina already said, we are using nowadays used in hospitals. What we can use? Hospitals.
Fracture.
So hospitals for setting fractured bone. What is that? Setting.
Fractured bones.
Setting. You may notice it. Setting, once the bone will break, they will make some kind of a white powder on the leg or wherever it is bone injury. Is it yes or no, guys? That is. So setting of fractured bones. Fractured bones. Why, sir, means once it will become dry, it will become very sticky. Is it yes or no, guys? Yes, sir? That is. So bones in the right position. In the right position to ensure correct healing. What is it called? Correct healing. Correct matching. Like leg bone is breaking somewhere. If the bones are not matching, we are not keeping perfectly like up and down, then it will cause us continuous pain. This is the wrong method. So perfectly we have to be keeping healing. So because of that, we will keep it like this and we'll add above the leg, we can add plaster of Paris so that it will become into very sticky within half an hour. So it will become very strong. Is it yes or no, guys? Yes. So that is why they will mix with a little amount of water and they will keep the bone joints in a fixed position. So it is used to make it everything perfectly. So it will make it a very strong so that the bone should not get disturbed. That is the first use. So it is also using making cast in dentist. Cast like a dental cavity casts, amalgam I have taught you. The same way we can use this one. Understanding? Yeah, false filling. That is also used in. Also again you can join. We have to complete this. Also used for making casts in dentistry. Understand, guys? Cast in dentistry. Tarani Pushpa, you ask your father, he will say, what is the meaning of this cast okay, in dentistry? And send that pic to our group. Everybody, let them see the real one. Send that pic if possible. Is it okay?
Okay, sir.
Yeah, don't forget it. Ask your father, cast in dentistry, which we are using with the making with the what? Making with the POP and send it in group. Second one, use it to making toys. Where we are using? Making toys. Next one.
Toys.
Decorative materials, cheap ornaments,